Hello, myself Kushal Naulakha, owner at Shreyans Tutorials, Bhinder, Mumbai. Being a coaching institute owner, I was looking for a solution that would help me conduct live lectures during this lockdown period, share recorded lectures, take exams, share the marks of the exams to the parents, and communicate with the parents regarding attendance and everything. Proctur helped me fulfilling all these things. With the help of Proctur, I am able to conduct live lectures, share video lectures, mark attendance, communicate with the parents, even inform the parents about the homework and many other stuffs. Proctur has helped me in conducting my coaching management part very smoothly. The most important part is the support part. Whenever we have any query, we just raise a ticket and there are executives, those are being assigned for the ticket and they clear our tickets. They solve our doubts and there is a mail system which is being implemented so that there is a proper feedback of the tickets and everything. I had come across two executives like Mr. Pratik and Ms. Shweta. These are the support team executives. They had helped me whenever there were any difficulties I had faced. Also the salesperson, Ms. Somya, she also guided me properly. I would recommend Proctur for a coaching institute who is looking for this management part of the thing. Thank you.